Have you ever been working on a Google Sheet where you have a new table on a sheet, but you want to add another section, maybe the right, left, top, or bottom? Every time you try to insert a column or a row, it just becomes part of the table. And so maybe you've tried to come in here and like, oh, I can delete table column, and it doesn't seem to work quite right. Like what's going on here? And then the same thing happens if you try to do rows. So how do you add more columns or rows? So what you want to do is create at least two columns here. And then we'll come in here, right click and delete table column. And now you can see it leaves a blank over here. And then we can do this again, delete table column. And now we have some columns over here that are not part of the table. And so now we can resize these as we need to. If we add more off to the right, they're now separate from that table. And so the same thing down below. So if we insert a couple of rows here, we need to delete table row. And then you can delete those from the bottom, and then you can add your other data down here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if I put some other data and then I come back, I need to add more rows to my table. Once I get to right above this other data, you can see my little prompt goes away. So I can still add one above here, but it won't let me add one here because this other data is in the row. Now, if I delete it or move it down, now you can see that option again. So that's just something to keep in mind. Another thing you can do is instead of trying to use this insert row below here as part of the table, right click on this row and then click on row below, and now insert a row below, and it's going to move everything down. So that's just one thing to keep in mind with this kind of thing is if you start inserting stuff like this, it's going to affect any other data you might have on that sheet. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.